Hello children, welcome to Learner's Planet. Children, this is our 7th session on the topic of addition. In the previous session, we had done carryover problems. We had done it in both the horizontal as well as the vertical way. And I had said that in this particular session, we'll be adding single digit numbers with double digit numbers. Okay, in which it will be a different pattern of carryover. So we'll start off with this session, right? And just keep your notebook and pencil ready with you so that you can solve the sums with me, right? So children, we'll start off with the carryover addition. Okay, we'll do it in the vertical way. Okay, so suppose we'll take 18 plus 6. Okay, T and U. So that's ones under units and tens under T, right? Now we'll first add with the units as usual. So 8 plus 6 equals to 14. So 4 over here and 1 is carried. So this is 2. So 2 under T and 4 under units. So the answer is 24. Right? In this you have to take care that you don't write the units, the single digit number which is the unit under the tens place value, or else you'll get the wrong answer. Okay? Because suppose if you write it as 18 plus 6 over here like that, tens and units, so it will be assumed that there's nothing there. That means there's 0, because any number added to 0 equals to 0. So it will be 8 and it will be 6 plus 1, that is 7. So this answer would be wrong. Okay, because it should have been 18 plus 6, not 18 plus 60. Okay, so 24 is the correct answer. Now for instance, we have 15 plus 8. Now where will we write 8? Over here or over here? We'll write it over here. Okay, now tens and units, and 5 plus 8 equals to 13. So 3 and 1. Now we'll add 1 plus 1, that equals to 2. So 15 plus 8 equals to 23. Okay, now suppose we have 11 plus 7. Now there will be no carryover in this. This is tens, this is units. Now 1 plus 7, that is 8, and 1 as it is. Right? This is very easy. Children, we'll take a few more sums like that. Suppose we have tens and units. We have suppose 16 plus suppose we have 6. Now we're supposed to add them. So 6 plus 6 equals to 12, 2 and 1, and 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Right? Now one more. Suppose we have 7 plus 19. Okay, now see what I've done here. I haven't written anything over here because it's a unit digit, right? 7, and 1 over here because this is 19, so it is a tens digit over here. So first we're supposed to add 9 and 7, which equals to 16. So 1 over here. Now 1 plus 1, that equals to 2. Now because we don't have any number over here, right? We don't have any number. So we'll have to put this carried over 1 over here. Okay. Now let's take one last example for the vertical way. Suppose we have 14 plus Let's take a number, suppose 9. Now we'll add the units. That equals to 13, 3 and 1. 1 plus 1, that equals to 2. Right? That's 23. Now we'll take some other sums in the horizontal method. Okay? Now children, we'll do the carryover addition in the horizontal way. Right? Now suppose we'll take 18 plus 9 equals. Now when we add, what will we do? First of all, we'll put T and U. This is only U, so U and T over here, because we don't have anything, so we'll just put 0 over here. Okay? So when you should always put T and U, because I already told that to you, and put 0 when you have a single digit number which you're supposed to add. So it will avoid the confusion. Okay? Because if you don't put any of this over here, and you don't even put this, then what you can think is maybe this is 9, which is supposed to be added with the tens. Okay? But if you put these two over here, then you won't be confused. Okay? So I've put 0, 9 and tens in units. Okay? Now we can add them. So 8 plus 9 equals to 17. 1 carried over, 0, then 1 and then 2. So that's 27. Right? Now we'll take one more such example. If we have 12 plus 8, that's tens units, tens units. So 0 tens, so tens over here like that, and tens in units. So we have 0 tens over here, right? So first we'll add the units. 8 plus 2, which equals to 10. 0 over here, 1 carried, 0, 1 and 2. So that equals to 20. Now we can take one more example. First we'll write tens units. Suppose we have 14 plus tens in units, 0, 7 equals tens and units. So 7 plus 4 equals to 11. So 1 over here and 1 over here, and 0, 1 and 2, it equals to 21. Right? Now we can take one more. Suppose we have 19 plus 0, 5. So that's tens units. Tens units equals to tens and units. 5 plus 9 equals to 14. 4 and 1. So this is 0, 1 and 2. So that's 24. Right? Now we can also take one more example. We have tens here, units here. Suppose we have 17 plus tens in units, which is 0, 8 maybe, is equal to tens in units. So 8 plus 7 equals to 15. So 5, 1 over here, 0, 1 and 2. That's 25. So it's very easy while you add single digit and double digit numbers, right? But all you need to take care is that the place value should be correct, or else the answer that you'll get will be incorrect, right? So you can practice such sums at your home. Now children, we'll just have a very short exercise over here. I'll not tell you which type of sums we'll be doing. It will be mixed both in horizontal and vertical way, and we'll also solve them, and we'll also guess the way it is. Okay? The first sum over here is 21 plus 9, tenths and units. Now the way it is vertical for V and horizontal H, right? Now first we'll solve it and then we'll guess the way. So first we'll add the units. So 9 plus 1 is 10. That's 0 over here and 1 over here. So this is 30. So the answer is 30. Now which way is this? Because it's going from top to bottom, it is the vertical way, right? Now similarly, we'll take another question. If we have, suppose 12 plus suppose 9 equals, so that's tens units, and 0 over here. Okay, now this could either be V or H. So 12 plus 9 first, which is equal to 11. 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 equals to 11, 1 and 1 over here, 0, 1 and 2. So the answer is 21. Now which way is this? As it forms a sleeping line, it's a horizontal way, right? We'll take a few more examples like this. Suppose we have 23 plus 7, 07, tens units equal to tens units. Okay, so first we'll add the units. 7 plus 3 equals to 10, 0 over here, 1 over here, 0, 2 and 3. So that's 30 again, right? And this is the horizontal way. Now we can add 25 plus 8 tens and units. Now 8 plus 5 equals to 13, 3 over here, 1 over here, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So 33. Now this is the vertical way. Children, just remember one thing, that you should always strike off the carryover number that you have counted. Suppose over here we have 25 plus 8. We've cut this, we have 3 and 1 is carried over here, right? So when you add them, just cut this one, or else when you have a lot of carryover numbers, when you get into the bigger classes, the addition, the number of digits that are supposed to be added will increase, and the number of carryover, they might confuse you. Okay, so it's better that you just strike them off so that you don't have any confusion. As soon as you count one carryover, strike it off. If you count the other, strike that off. If you count the third one, then strike them off. Okay, because if you have, suppose 25 plus 8, this is not related to this, you can't have so many carryovers in this, it's just an example that I'm telling you. If you have, suppose 3 carryovers and you don't cancel any of them, it might happen that you get confused if you have counted one of them or not. So it's better that you cancel them so that you can avoid your mistakes. Okay, so children, this is enough for this session. In the next session we'll only do double digit addition from 10 to 30. Okay, and it will obviously have carryover and non-carryover. Okay, so you just practice some more sums that we did today, and you can just revise all the sessions up till today, and then I'll see you in the next session where we'll take one step further. Okay, so then I'll see you in the next session. Bye.